Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Karen and welcome to our Irish family. Today I want to do a cleaning products haul with you. So I'm going to be showing you some of the products I bought this past weekend in Homebase, Mr. Price, and then I also have a Lidl and Dealz, which is like Poundland, haul for you guys as well. I am super excited to have picked up these cleaning products, which sounds so weird. I never thought those would be words that would come out of my mouth, that I am excited that we have new cleaning products. But basically I have got some Method cleaning products. I'm so excited. Everybody I watch has Method cleaning products. Everybody in the UK, in the US has them. We don't have them here in Ireland except for one store, I think, and I think I paid way too much, but hey, doesn't matter. Let's just do it. I'll use them on special cleaning occasions. No, but on a serious note, I bought some Method cleaning products and I'm really excited about them. I'm going to be testing them out and deciding whether I prefer them over my Astonish, which Astonish is really good, so they have a lot to live up to. So let's jump in. First, I'm going to be showing you the products I bought at Homebase. So Homebase is like a big like DIY type store. So the first things I bought are these Astonish brand, and these are their antibacterial hand wash. So Silk Soft and Milk and Honey hand wash from Astonish, and again these are cruelty free and vegan, which is why I really like these. Obviously I'm not vegan, but I do like when products are cruelty free. So yeah, these have Milk and Honey, this one, and this one is Silk Soft. So it has a vitamin E ingredients with some active antibacterial properties as well. So they were hand washes, and then I bought this Ecover washing up liquid, and it's Lily and Lotus fragrance. So again, this is cruelty free, which again is something, as I said, that I really like in a product. It's plant-based and mineral-based ingredients. It's tested on for sensitive skin. So I saw this here and I just decided, hey, I'm going to use it. And this Ecover cost $1.50. It was on special for $1.50, and the price on the thing said $3.39 or something, but this is a 1 litre bottle and it was on special for $1.50. It doesn't smell half bad. It's a little bit more flowery than I would prefer, but it's a good product, cruelty free, so I'm happy with this washing up liquid. I then bought this. So it's a big thing of like paper towels, like multi-purpose towels, and the multi-purpose towels was €3.77 for this, and there is a lot in it. Robert opened it even though I asked him not to, but hey, it's okay. It says there's 500 sheets, 100% recycled. And yeah, I'm excited to be using this on my glass and such, instead of using the kitchen towels, because they're more expensive than this. And then the Method products I bought. So the first one out is the Method bathroom, and it's eucalyptus mint. So it's non-toxic, plant-based. Yeah, and again, cruelty free, which is really important now. So Method bathroom, I am so excited to be trying these out. Like, it's unbelievable how excited I am for Method products. They have a lot to live up to. They have great reviews by everybody that I watch cleaning products that has them. They love Method, so it'll be interesting to see what they're like. So the Method bathroom was €4.15 for this, and it's a 828 milliliter bottle. Then we have this Method multi-surface. It's in the pink grapefruit fragrance. And this was €4.55 for this. Again, it's the 828 litre bottle and cruelty free. I then got the Method glass cleaner. It's in mint fragrance. This one was expensive. It was €5.50. I'm not sure why this one was more expensive than the other ones, but hey, glass cleaner lasts me a long time, so this is gonna last me a long time. And then the daily kitchen spray is the last one I got in the Method, and it's clementine. And this one was €4.25 for this one. So it's a daily kitchen spray, cuts grease and grime. Again, excited to be using these to see how they get on. So everything I bought there, the 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 products that I've shown you there from Homebase, cost me $26.32, which in the grand scheme of things is very expensive for cleaning products, but I really did want to try out these Method products, so I just decided to splurge the money just to try them. And then I went to Mr. Price, which is like a Poundland, but like things don't cost £1 or $1.49 like they do in Dealz. They kind of vary in the prices. So the first thing I got isn't cleaning related. I just got this Pritt stick. So we are going to be doing Tot School with Ava, so I will be needing kind of glue so I can glue things on. And this Pritt stick, wrong with C, cost $1.99, which is probably really expensive, and I could have got it way cheaper, but it was just there in the moment and I decided just to pick it up. I then got this blue toilet cleaner. And this toilet cleaner cost $1.49. It's not cruelty free, which I didn't really consider while I was buying it. But I'll give it a shot anyways, because I've heard good things about this brand. So yeah. Then I got this Stardrops, the pink stuff, America Cleaning Paste is what it says. So this is 500 grams. It says it does so many things. 99.9%, 99% natural ingredients, environmentally non-toxic, non-hazardous formation, not tested on animals, is what it says here at the back. So this is from Stardrops. Again, this is a brand I've heard a lot about, especially on my Instagram, on the cleaning Instagram pages that I follow. They are really big fans of Stardrops. Again, it's not a brand that's readily available here in Ireland yet, but I got this from them. And then I also got the Stardrops Power Cleaner with Ammonia. So it's a multi-purpose non-scratch formula, ideal for stubborn stains. So again, I've seen lots of people using this. It says it's great for floors, paintwork, tubs or baths and tiles, sinks, toilets, work surfaces, drains and surrounding areas. So I will be giving this a go. And then the final thing I bought was Liquid Soda Crystals Grease Stain Remover, extra thick formula, perfume free. So it's Soda Crystals is the brand. As it's good at cutting through grease, and so I have two things that I'm going to be testing this out at, and it also says it's a laundry aid, so that's going to be interesting as well. So I'll look up a little bit more on how and when people use this, but we'll give it a shot anyways. So I spent €8.75 in Mr. Price, and I also now will include clips from a Lidl and Dealz haul for you as well. So today I just want to show you a small haul from Dealz, aka Poundland, and also Lidl. So first out from Dealz or Poundland are these 2 packets of McCoy's Ridge Cut Mighty Meat Crisps. So 2 packets of them, so 12 packets in total. of crisps, and Robert uses these for his lunch. I then bought this A5 project notebook, so it has the little tabs here, which is perfect, so I can record different things that I'm going to be using. I got this Bic sparkle pen, so it has 4 colors on it. I love these types of pens. I then got some sponges, so it's a 10 pack. I then got these assorted stamp markers, and you can see that they have different stamps with each color, and Ava is going to be using these during tot school. Then these 2 packs of nappy bags, so it was 2 for €10. So we got those. Ambrosia rice pudding, again I use these for Ava the odd time. I give her these. I then got a duck toilet cleaner, so that's in the marine scent. And then finally I got Daschle multi-purpose wipes, and they are in the pomegranate and lime fragrance, and these were €3 because it's the 80 pack. So in total in Poundland I spent €16.50, and then in Lidl, the first thing I bought were these ABC magnets. So these are going to be great for Ava as we're going along. We can play like magnet games, and there is 100 pieces in this. So these are going to be great for her tot skill. I then brought some Prit glue. So again, I'll just use this if I'm going to be doing stuff for her like tot skill. Then at the back here I got this, so it's Play Junior. So basically what you do is you lace up things. You can see here in the picture there's little laces that you get, and you just thread them through the holes, and that will be good for her skills. And then also we have this, it's a puzzle, so you can take them out and place them back in, but what is great about them, they are also a stamp. So you can see at the back here they're also a stamp, and you get the little ink pad with it. So that is going to be great activity for her. And then the final thing we got from Lidl is this document shredder. So it sits on top of the bin, and then you feed your documents through it. There's a telescopic arm, so it moves to the side of your bin. And this is going to be great because I have a whole load of documents that I need to get rid of. So I'm going to have to shred them. Because obviously they're like bank statements and all that sort of stuff with personal information, and you don't want to be putting them whole into the bin. For these 5 items, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, yeah, for these 5 items was $24.47. So that's it, guys. That is today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. As you can tell from my video, I'm really excited about getting to use these method cleaners, and also about the Ecover. Like I said, cruelty-free is becoming a big thing I'm looking for with my cleaners. Obviously I know there is a couple there that don't have the cruelty-free logo, and it doesn't say that it's not tested on animals, so it's probably going to be the first and last time I use those things, because there is lots of good cleaners out there that are cruelty-free and non-toxic, which is what is starting to be important to me with household cleaners. But anyways, we'll give all of these a go. If you're interested into seeing what I think of it or how I use it, please do let me know in the comments, and I can kind of like do a mini review of it for you guys. And that's it. Please like this video if you like it. Give this video a thumbs up, which is what I just said. Subscribe if you are new. I put out videos 3 days a week, and I also put out 1 blog post a week. My new blog post is up. It's 100 questions, 100 answers. So if you want to learn a little bit more about myself, please do click on the link in the description, and that will bring you to my blog post. Don't forget to follow me over on Instagram. I'm pretty active there. I definitely upload 1 video a day, and I try to upload Insta stories every day as well. So it's a good place to kind of keep current on what I'm doing and what myself and Ava are doing during the day. And that's it, guys. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.